All right, so this is the second night in a row that the cattle have been coming from the north to the south through our ravine. And there's a whole bunch down there. Anyway, they seem to have some place to go, and there is a river down there, but I don't know if they can. There's a cattle guard or a fence at some point, but anyway, it's kind of weird how they are coming, but we're gonna prep and get a fence put up soon. My goal is by the end of September. Anyway, it's kind of weird they're doing this again tonight. Kicking up the dust. Anyway, as long as they're not under the solar structure, I'm okay with that. So, anyway, have a good night.